What is happening, YouTube family? It's good to see you cats back again. Been working on this Sigma for a while off and on now, and some other guitars going on too, but figured we'd finish this thing up tonight, and string it up and set it up, set the neck relief, everything. You know, when you take all the strings off like that, and you put them all back on, chances are your neck relief is going to be a little bit different. It's going to change a little. Not always, not on every guitar, but usually a little bit it will change. So, you know, I'm counting on that. I'm sure we're probably going to have to set the neck relief. It might be the same, I don't know. But I'm going to put strings on it, and I'll bring you back and we'll check the neck relief and the string action and all that jazz, the intonation and all that. And just to recap a little bit, we got this thing in here to do, it had fret buzz. Too much back bow, not enough relief in the neck. So I adjusted that, and if you remember, I found one high fret down here. I don't even remember which one it was now. You can go back in the videos, I guess, and find it. Anyways, I found one high fret, we fixed that, and then ended up stripping all that black crap off of the fretboard, if you remember us doing that. So today we're going to string her up and make her sing. There's a big giant fly flying around in here. If you see it buzz through the frame, that's what it is. I got a fly swatter here. I'll catch him landed here shortly and deliver a little package to him. Anyways, I'll bring you back when I get the strings on it, and we will take it from there, start setting it up and hear what it sounds like. Hold on. Alrighty, strings on, ready to, it's tuned up to pitch. Look at that fretboard, man, that just looks so much better. Okay, we'd like to see 16 to 18 thousandths nut action on this first fret, or first fret action, whichever you prefer to call it. And you can see that just goes under there exactly right. I did that a long time ago. There you can see it's perfect, man. It just grazes on the bottom of the string. So it's, I have 18 thousandths here, so that's what it is. 18 thousandths first fret action or nut action. Anywhere between 16 and 18 thousandths usually on every string is fine. I've heard people argue about that. I used to do that, note like the 3rd fret to get the nut reading, but you know that all that's not necessary. Now, usually I set my neck relief at around 12 thousandths. Okay, he wants this a little less than that, so we're going to go with, I got a 10 here right now. That's raising the string there. There, it goes under the 9th fret. It's very tight though. He told me to set it 8 to 10 thousandths. So this is an 8 right here. Still raising the string there. There we go. Yeah, man. That's it. And I'm noting the very last fret down here because that truss rod is right there. I mean, it's just right there. It controls everything. So that's why I'm noting the last fret. Check that out. It touches the string just slightly, but it's not raising it up any. So I'm going to leave that alone for now. See how it plays. And let's see, check the tuning again. I stretched the strings out as much as I could, and I think I got them stretched out enough to where you should be able to play it now without it going out of tune so bad. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. I'm going to check the string action now. The 12th fret in playing position. 6/64 on the bass string and 4/64 on the treble. I can't remember what it was before. I'll have to look at my notes. 6/64 and 4/64. 4/64. A little bit over. Fourth string is a little over. Fifth string is 5/64 and 6/64. Alright, baby. We're ready to listen to this old gal moan. Let me fine tune it just a little bit and I'll bring you right back and we'll see. I can't think of anything else except I'm going to hand buff the thing out. My buffer's kind of ale right now. In fact, I'm just going to buy a new buffer. Anyways, I'll rub it out by hand. I'm not going to do it right now, but I'm going to tune it up, stretch the strings out, bring you back, and we'll listen to it moan. Hold on. So I thought you might like to see what Martin MSP 7200 lifespan strings look like up very close. They're treated. You can see there's no coating on them the way those elixirs were. Remember I showed you with this lens? These Martin strings are treated with some kind of crap they put in the material the string is made of, as I understand. I like them better. They sound more natural. No coating. They're new, so they're going to look like that all over, but just wanted to give you a shot of that up close. I think it's pretty cool to look at these strings like this. I see a piece of dust on that one. This is one of those guitars that I've talked about it before. If you touch them very much, you mute them. I'm just barely touching it, man. Oh, see if the I don't know if the camera will get this or not. One finger against the top. I hope the camera picks this up. Just one finger against the top. I've been with my hands so screwed up as they've become. Had to learn to play all over again, learn new techniques. So I'm trying to learn to pick without touching the top. And boy, is that ever hard to do. Just barely touch the bridge pins now and then to get, you know, like a sense of where I am. I don't know. Anyways, I think it sounds pretty good for a cheaper, lower end guitar. Boy, am I ever out of practice. Out of practice bad, man. This guitar's set up different from mine too. The strings are wider and the neck is definitely wider than the Martin I've been playing. What little bit I play, like I say, my hands are so screwed up, man, and I'm having to learn completely new technique on both the right and the left hand. So it's kind of got me down right now. Sloppy, but the guitar sounds good. The guitar sounds really good, man. For it's a Sigma DR28H is the numbers. I'll put them in there again for those that may have missed the earlier versions videos on this guitar. So there you have it, folks. Set up new strings. Fix a high fret, fix a whole bunch of fret buzzing down in here. That's all taken care of now. So much for that. Appreciate you guys watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Got some other things coming up here. I'm not really sure what'll be next, but something that'll probably be good. Well, it might not be too good. It'll probably be alright though. So hang around for it. I'll be looking for you there. Cheers. I'll see you then. Always forget. Always do it, man. Here's what I put on it. Martin MSP, I think it's 7200s. I don't have my glasses, but I know that's what they are. MSP 7200s. Treated strings. I told you these treated, but I don't think I showed you what they was. Anyway, there you go. That's what's on it now. Bye-bye, elixirs, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.